Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. By God's grace. You tell. What about you?
Yeah, I'm absolutely fine. Thank you.
That's really great. Could I know your name?
Of course, I'm a Vinod.
Oh, that's really. Oh my God! After a long time, you're calling to me. Where are you nowadays?
Nowadays, I'm a rural area.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, how's
And
it
in this
is?
time, in this time, the rainy season is going on. My God, the weather is sometimes is totally altered. The changing of this raining. So that's
Oh,
why, because yeah, weather is so means district means. So that's why I'm just means right now. I mention or just I mean call to you. So are you free or
oh.
not?
Yeah, of course I'm free, of course. After a long time you're calling to me, so it's not important. I just do it my work. Yeah, definitely. I would like to I would like to talk with you, and after that I can continue my work. Don't worry.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, okay, okay.
so you were telling to me that you have really very great and awesome weather, but there is a lot of
Right.
there is a exhausted weather in Delhi and so much
Mm-hmm.
hot. Okay, it's okay, but I can manage. Okay, but I'm really so much exciting to know about you that you were telling to me that you have really very great weather. So have you had your breakfast?
Yeah, I have done. What
Oh,
about
that's
you?
really great. Yeah, I have also had my breakfast, but not much interesting. And but yeah, yesterday I also had a lot of really delicious things. Okay, let it be. Just tell me, what have you had? What have you had in your breakfast?
Okay. I think I heard rishon, and the second thing is some kind of dessert, and the third thing is pakoda. That's it.
Oh, that's really great. Oh my
Yeah.
God, you also take. Oh my God, you know that I'm biggest fan of Risol. I really so much liking it, but I didn't take Risol. But it's okay. Now I will call to. I will call to my. What can I say? I will call to person and definitely I will book online Risol. So today I will take
Okay.
Risol. So now
Mm-hmm.
tell me, like yesterday I also have had a lot of things, and okay, I just tell you.
Okay, please.
Yesterday after dinner, I just ate funnel cake, and uh,
Mm-hmm.
and I just I also ate. Actually, my mama also made for me syrup filled ball. And
Mm-hmm.
actually, yesterday I didn't take dinner, to be honest, because I'm really very foodie.
Mm-hmm.
You know that about me. That's why I'm so much
Mm-hmm.
fatty. So yesterday I had not have my dinner, but yeah, yesterday I had in my dinner. You can see in my dinner. Actually, it's next so much heavy yesterday evening. That's why I didn't take dinner. So I also had I love pie with potato vegetable. Do you like it?
But ma'am, I'm not understood what did you eat on yesterday because you eat some kind of the food particles like the junk food. But I am not aware in this kind of the food particles. So sorry for that. I'm not able to explain it.
Oh my God, that's not junk food. Nowadays, where are you living? It's not junk food. Yeah, you can say it is a fried food and fried actually pie. Do you don't know about pie?
No, I don't
Pie.
know. Seriously.
Pie means you know that about risol means samosa like that. So pie it is a kind of same things and it is made of dal stuff. We can say in Hindi. What can I say? Kachori. Do you know about the kachori? Khasta kachori.
Okay. I know. Khasta kachori. Wow, it's a very delicious food.
Yeah. So I have had pie. Actually, pie is in English. So I have
Ma'am,
had.
do you know? Ma'am,
Hmm?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
do you know my English is not very well, so that's why I mean I'm not aware in this kind of this words or in English. So sorry for that.
It's okay. It's okay. Your English is not good. So, what do you think that I'm also not Tir Khan? I'm also like you, but I'm also trying to learn nowadays English communications. And you know what? I'm also learning self practice. So, I also had learned a lot of words by awesome lots of English learner videos. And there is a lady, and that lady's name is like the teacher name is what, I just forgot. Yeah, that's also teacher. So I'm learning there, and I also had learned many new words about the snacks. So that time I learned, but you know what happened, I forgot all names. What I thought, okay, I just apply when I just telling to someone, if I'm talking to anyone in English, so definitely I will try to speak these those words. So right now I'm really very comfortable, and I learned all words. I don't have need to learn. You know why? Because actually in that video no any Hindi. Actually in that video no any translation English to Hindi. Actually thing is that I was really attracted just because of that name. That name actually described by the pictures. So that's why that pictures click in my mind. So that's why I didn't have need to learn all words English to Hindi because of pictures. So pictures really so much help to me. And now,
But ma'am,
okay, do you know
when
about the funnel cake?
little bit I had this kind of this thing, but seriously I don't know what the exact meaning of this funnel cake.
Okay, funnel
Yeah.
cake
So
means
ma'am,
jalebi. Okay, just continue,
oh,
please.
okay. Funnel cake means jalebi. Okay.
Ah,
I ate so many times. So, I love the funnel cake because it's an international dessert in our India, especially in India. So
yeah.
that's a lots of people is like to eat on the daily basis. So, ma'am, whenever we use in this kind of this word, so someone just said to me, "You are mad." Or what you saying, because lots of people is not aware, so how we can learn in this kind of this words a very easily way and use in our conversation, ma'am. This is my biggest problem, so please because please solve this problem.
Yeah, sure, why not? Sure. Okay, I just tell you that you just don't use these words in your home, because if you will apply on your parents or with your siblings, so definitely they will understand you that you are a fool, you are a biggest fool, because they don't know about English. Okay, so and they also cannot understand you because they don't know about these words into the English with with a meaning. So that's why. But whenever you got chance to conversation with someone at that time, you also can try to tell them. You also suppose I just give you a situation. You just create the situations to yourself.
How?
Okay, how? This is a really very great question. Thank you so much asking to me. Like please don't judge to me, but it is a it is a kind of learning process. If you want to learn any language, so of course you have to create situations to yourself. I will tell you. I just give you example. Suppose right now we both are talking to each other, and after a long time we both are talking to each other. But to be honest, I also had in my like in my snacks yesterday that about pie and funnel cake, and I also had syrup filled bowl. But thing is that it's really very difficult to learn these words, and we also cannot apply on the family members as well. But whenever you got the chance to speak with your friends in English, at that time you also can tell, you also can ask to them that have you had your lunch or breakfast. So by that things they are also asking to you automatically. Just think, in the beginning of time when I just asked to you that have you had your breakfast, and automatically you also ask me, because this is a friendship, this is actually manner. If someone is asking to you, definitely another person asks to you. So when another person asks to you, at the time just tell. Why are you telling to someone that you have had dal and chapati and veg biryani? Just tell new words, and by that words you also can create the personality. and they're also thinking, oh my god, you're really very good that you're also taking a really very beautiful dishes. And because of that thing, they are also so much exciting to know that what kind of things you had in your breakfast or like dinner. So by that things, by that way, you also can apply all these words, and you also can hand to hand apply and hand to hand practice by the speaking. It's so easy to learn. You don't have need to learn.
Wow.
This
Wow,
is
man.
the this is the funda to learn, and you don't have need to learn. I just tell you secret. I didn't learn these words only once. I didn't learn. I
Okay.
only saw those words into the videos which I saw into the Awesome Blossom English Learner videos. I just saw, and I just only and only put in my mind, and I just started apply those words while the conversation.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah, and by that things you also can learn easily.
Yeah,
Don't.
man, yeah, because
Yeah.
this trick is a causes the good impact in my intellectual, and definitely I will try to speak in front of others individual and just ask to few kind of the question related to this dessert, related to this dishes, related to the in this kind of the food particles, and that time I will apply to this kind of the word in front of others, and it definitely will cause the good representation of myself. So thank you so much. This trick is very very good for me, and I will share in this kind of things from my best friend.
Yeah, sure, definitely. You can share this type of stuff, and definitely it will be help, because I also applied in my real learning process, and it is work 100%, 101%. So just try to
Okay, okay,
apply
okay.
these tricks, and just try to be free, and just to be a fluent speaker. Okay, I will
Okay,
tell
okay.
you, like I'm really so much exciting to tell you about my today lunch. Today's lunch is really very special for me.
Okay. What will
What? Why will I tell you? You are really excited to know about my delicious lunch.
Yeah, of course. I'm
Oh
very
my God.
excited. I'm very thrilled to know about you. What did you eat?
But don't snatch my words, don't snatch my tricks. But I will not tell you what is the real lunch today I have. Otherwise, you also got my all words. But I will tell you about some delicious some delicious dishes. So um, today actually I had today in my lunch, my mama made for me. First thing is that what mixed cut salad with potato and cauliflower vegetable, and there is a there will be in my plate okra. I love cheese vegetable, and yeah, I love it also missy chapati like that. And for that things, I already told that mixed cut salad, and I really so much liking to wafer. So wafer I also so much prefer to eat in my lunch. So now I think
Okay.
I know that your mouth so watering.
Right, right, right. The saliva is secreted from my mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. I think you ate a very good kind of the delicious food, and definitely I will try to say to my mom, and
Mhm.
definitely my mom. I don't know what will happen, but definitely I will try to say to my mom, and I
Definitely.
really want to. I
And you
really
also,
want to eat in this.
yeah,
Mhm.
and you also can make yourself wafer. Wafer so easy. You also can toast as a bread to wafer. You know what is a wafer? You know that about the wafer?
I know.
Oh, that's really great. Tell me.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Okay, wafer.
Wafer.
Okay, wafer is a very, I think, very simple, and you because it's become from the potato, right?
That's really great. It is a kind of
Yeah. So
papad, and it is
yeah,
not
I know.
wafer. It is not wafer. We like we will not pronounce R. Like R will be silent. So you just say
Okay.
wafer only. Wafer, wafer.
Wafer. Wafer, yeah, wafer. Means so many wafers is available in our market, but depends you what you means would like to choose it and what you would like to eat it. It will depend to you. So
Ah,
yeah, so many times I also yeah, so many times I
yeah.
also and you know in a speciality of this village area, lots of women is make own by self to the wafer for to the occasion. You know occasion means so
Exactly.
many
Yeah.
occasions are coming. Yeah, so many occasions coming in a rural area. Means related to the wedding, related to the birthday party, related to the extra kind of the thing. So the wafer is the chances are good and how to say it's a very crispy for to
Yeah.
everyone. But
Yeah.
we should to just apply some kind of this, some pinch of this salt, some pinch of this spicy how to say chili, powder form of the chili, and definitely it's means totally the water is increasing in your mouth. That is the main
Yeah.
matter. Means saliva is secretion in your mouth. So that's it.
Yeah.
And thank you so much, ma'am. You spend your most valuable time on this.
Oh my God. Don't say like this. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. So definitely we will call to each other next time. And please forgive me. Actually, I missed your number because of actually I just changed my phone. So that's why
Mm-hmm.
I had not your number. So thank you so much first of all that you calling to me. And definitely
Thank you.
now I will save your number. And definitely I will visit you next time.
Of course, of course. Bye bye and take care. Have a good
Yeah,
day.
bye. Have a great good night. See you.
Thank you. Thank you.